suppose most people tend not to take much notice of them. They're just there, part of the surroundings, nothing special. But I've found that whenever I take the time to watch them, I get reminded that I'm part of life on the earth. I share the part of the world that I live in with these creatures, and just by leaving out a few bits of my leftover food, I can help them to survive. Sometimes I wish that they didn't just see me as another potential predator, that I wasn't just something else for them to be wary of. But I suppose that's just how they are, and it's our places in nature. Still, I feel as though I've made a contribution to things. It's something that I know that I've done during the time that I've been alive.